Good morning, kids. We're in lesson 3 this week. Our story is called Off and Running. Today we're going to work on some vocabulary strategies using context to determine a definition and the sounds long I and long O. In today's reader's notebook on page 27, we're using context clues to figure out the appropriate definition that fits with the word, the underlined word in the sentence. And so you'll see here in your box that you have multiple definitions for one word. For example, we have the word address. Okay, so you have address here, and it says a location, definition number 1, a location of a person or an organization. And definition number 2 is a formal speech. So you have two different definitions for the same word. You also have the word platform, the word post, and the word ticket. And what you're going to do is figure out which definition of the underlined word in the sentence fits with that sentence. Number 1, the party members wrote their platform hoping that their ideas would appeal to voters. So we have the underlined word platform, and we have to go up to platform and figure out which platform fits with that sentence. We have platform number 1, a stage, number 2, a set of principles, number 3, part of a shoe that gives height, and number 4, flat, high area of ground. So we're going to read the sentence again. The party members wrote their platform hoping that their ideas would appeal to voters. And when we're talking about someone's ideas, okay, they're writing their ideas and hoping that those will appeal to voters, we're looking at their set of principles. So what you're going to write on the line is just number 2. I'm not going to have you write the whole definition because it's not going to fit very well. And so you're just going to write number 2 because it's definition number 2 that's listed for platform. Number 2, if you lose the ticket from the shirt, the sales clerk won't know how much to charge us. So we have the word ticket, and we need to figure out which definition of ticket fits with this sentence. So we go up to the top. Ticket number 1, a slip of paper that allows entry. Number 2, a label for merchandise. Or number 3, a list of candidates. Well, in this sentence, we're talking about a shirt, which is merchandise, and so it's a label for merchandise. So on the line, you're going to write number 2 because it's the second definition for the word ticket. And you can go ahead and finish page 27 on your own. In page 28, we have long I and long O sounds. And what you're doing is you're looking at the underlined words in the sentences and you're figuring out which spelling word you can use to replace the underlined word. Sentence number 1 reads, as my dad and I walk around the Stars baseball stadium, I am amazed at the tallness of the structure. And so we need to replace walk and tallness. And so we're going to go over to our spelling list and we're going to find words for walk and tallness. As my dad and I walk around the Stars baseball stadium. And I can go down my list and I can see that stroll would be a good word to replace the word walk. And so for number 1, I'm going to write the word stroll on the line. And it says, as my dad and I stroll around the Stars baseball stadium, I am amazed at the tallness of the structure. And so we need something that's going to change the word tallness. And we can say height. And so on line 2, you're going to write the word height. Height, height. And so that's all you're doing for this page is replacing the underlined words with one of your spelling words. You can go ahead and finish this page and get them turned in when you're done. Thank you.